This is Mary. Mary is a mom and a homeowner with little spare time on her hands, which is why she uses Stitch by Monoprice. Stitch is an all-in-one smart home ecosystem. From smart plugs and switches, lighting devices, smart sensors, and smart appliances, Stitch provides 24/7 remote monitoring of your home all under one app. With simple hassle-free installation, Mary can control her home using her Stitch app in just a few minutes. She can turn off or dim lights with her smart bulbs anytime. Set a schedule for her electronics to turn on automatically with her smart plugs. Be alarmed of any open doors or windows. Remain conscious of any water leaks throughout the home. Turn on and off her television. And command small home appliances like the robot vacuum when at home or on the road, all providing Mary simple automation, saving her time to do other things. All of these Stitch-enabled powered products require no hub and no monthly fees. Monoprice is your one-stop shop to build your Stitch smart home that fits best for you. To learn more about Stitch and how to maximize your comfort and your convenience, visit monoprice.com.